It's Thursday, November 19th, and here's what's happening at the World Fair. At 9 a.m., the first broadcast of the day, we're going to be talking about what we all want more of and can't seem to find: money. Where's the money? And understanding your body shop financials. How do we get more of it? How do we keep more of it? How do we control how we spend it? How do we plan for retirements that we can one day leave this industry, maybe not in a pine box? And then how does that money affect our employees? And are there ways that we can incentivize employee programs to keep our good techs and make sure that they stay around for a long time? At 2:30, we'll dive into post-repair inspections. So we'll have a vehicle that's coming by for us to take a look at. We'll go through the initial requirements, things that need to be done on a post-repair inspection, how to have conversations with customers around them, and what are the required forms and documentations that you're going to need. We all need to be performing more of these in our markets as the industry continues to change, specifically around a lot of the OE requirements and the pushbacks on paying the OE requirements to fix the vehicles. If we're going to live in a market where not everyone does X, or I can get the vehicle repaired for X somewhere else, we're going to need to make sure that we have some evidence or some things that we can use to talk to customers about to show why we're different and why paying for our repair plan and agreeing to it is not only good for them now, but it's going to be good for them 3, 4, 5 years later down the road as they continue to own the vehicle. Now, all of our episodes are going to be streaming on LinkedIn, Facebook, Instagram, lots of ways for you to watch it and join us live without any registration and without any cost. But if you do miss an episode, don't worry about it. All the replays are going to be available for you on YouTube.